As I've been in business for quite some time, I've wanted to rally people around something, a cause or reason why we exist.
Cambridge exists
To glorify God by
enriching the quality of every life we touch.
I get to tell a lot of people about that, why we exist, and whenever I share, I just share that that's not a faith statement about every single person inside of Cambridge. It's simply an acknowledgement that the business that we call Cambridge is about something much bigger and much grander than just profits.
It kind of knocks people off balance a little bit. They're not really sure what to think of it.
We believe there's something bigger than us, and we're going to conduct ourselves in a way that we're responsible to something bigger than us.
We want you to feel unconditionally loved here, exactly as you are.
If I can be unconditionally loving to those around me and just love them for who they are and not what they're doing for the company, then it can be transformative, and it really does walk out the why.
The glorifying God, why we exist statement was finished by saying how we were going to do that. We were going to glorify God by enriching the quality of every life we touch, whether that's the people that work here, the people that come to call on us to sell us parts for our equipment, or externally when we go out to solve problems for our customer.
And it's something that's a lifetime, it's a journey. And enriching lives, it's not a destination, it's about people.
Enriching Lives is about promising to do more than heating a building.
Because it means that anytime you come in contact with the body of Cambridge, your life is going to be better for it.
This is who we are. It's what we strive to do. Do we do it perfectly? Absolutely not. But we always aspire to be better at it.
Really, the culture has been something that means enriching lives all the time. It's just now that we get to write it down and share it with you.
There's something about the Cambridge experience and enriching lives that has been here for many years. We're just saying it the right way.
It's almost like it's just a final piece in a really beautiful process that we've been a part of.
And so I love it. I love the fact that everything, every sticker we put on, every business card we give out, every piece of logoed stuff that I wear or anybody wears is actually going to say, we are Cambridge Air Solutions, and this is what we do. We enrich lives.